Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. To start fixing DirectX 10 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the DirectX 10, Update 41, a legacy DirectX 10 helper component. It manages unmanaged graphics rendering manifests for multimedia software utilizing the March 2009 DirectX data link. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. DirectX 10 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including DirectX 10, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the initial fix didn't work, we must manually deploy the legacy DirectX components to your PC, and you should run the official DirectX End-User Runtime, June 2010 setup. This process will scan your system for missing multimedia files and ensure that your DLL file is correctly installed alongside your other graphics libraries. Why are we doing this? Well, a manual runtime restoration is the only way to bypass driver-level blocks and ensure that every legacy dependency is present and functional. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for DirectX 10 DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to DirectX 10. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve DirectX 10 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.